everyone! So lately I have been making a lot of beauty subscription videos. It's because I recently just went overboard and I got basically all the subscriptions. I still have one subscription that I have not tried. Well, there's many more. There's a Target one. I think there may be a Target one. And then there's the Macy's one and other ones. But either way, the Play by Sephora is here. It's one of my last ones. I just have the March 2020 BoxyCharm box to do. Here is what it looks like. This is the Sephora one. Sephora Play, to be exact. So it gives you a little cute animated thing where it talks about all the products right here. And it comes here in this reusable, sealable bag. I usually put like my makeup there, or you could use it for sandwich preparations. Let's say you prepare a sandwich and you don't know where to put it. Just wrap it around in paper towel or whatever and then put it inside, and then you have yourself a little mini lunchbox. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I have the Bvlgari Omnia crystalline perfume. It's the Eau de Toilette natural spray. Inspired by the glowing clarity of pure crystal, a luminous Eau de Toilette, capturing the transparency of lotus flowers, the fruity freshness of nashi, and the creaminess of balsa wood. So this is what it is. I already sprayed it like about once or twice. It smells really good. I like it. Next I have another eyeliner, waterproof liquid eyeliner, Stay All Day by Stila. I already have an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from another beauty box, but it's good to have a lot. So here it is. I think I've had it before. I've gotten one of these before. It's very precise. Look at that, like it's very precise. It's pointy. So yeah, hopefully it works and it lasts because it says it's waterproof. So next I have a dry shampoo. It's by Detox Clear. It says it's an invisible dry shampoo. So okay, here it is. It smells a little bit floral and powdery, but it smells good. Now that it's going through a little bit more, I see it says blank scent, and it just smells a little bit like vanilla. It's good. I have the Nars Pomegranate Lip Pigment. I've never had a lip pigment from Nars, but I have had the lipsticks, which are pretty good. So I'll swatch it here. It's cute. It smells. Sorry about that, guys. I lost battery on my camera. Very first time ever, but you know there's always a first time for everything. So I have a couple new things. Actually, I only have two more things. So I have the Glamour Glow Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And then I have the Sugar Mint Rush by Fresh. This is a freshening lip treatment. This is what it looks like. Smells minty and good. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.